Everybody loves to hear that they've performed a job well done, and we are no exception. Our goal is to give every customer 5-star service, and it usually results in our customers sharing their experience with the world. Take a look at what one of our customers said about us. As much as we think we're doing a great job, it's customers like this that tell us about their experience that push us harder to do better. We really enjoy what our happy customers say about us. The most important thing to us is to know from them that we're doing a great job. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from new customers, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior customer service can help you. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We are only one call away from serving you.